Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, hello and hi, my name is Arnaz. Welcome to my channel. I have created this fun colorful look today. So without further delay, let's get started. I'll first prime my eyelids with the NYX Eyeshadow Primer Base. This will help intensify the colors of the eyeshadow. I'll start by using the ColourPop Smokes and Roses palette. It has this beautiful rosy and smoky hues for today's look. I'll take the shade alone with a blending brush and apply it all over my eyelid. Next, I'll take the shade Tonight with a flat shader brush and apply it close to my lash line and slightly smoke it out near the outer corner. Next, I'll take the shade This Guy and apply it slightly above Tonight and blend it with a fluffy brush. Then I'll take the shade Angel Eyes and blend it towards the crease. And again, I'll take the shade alone and blend everything towards the brow bone. I'll again take Tonight and intensify the lash line. Next, I'll use the Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival palette and take this orange shade, Spice Island, and apply it in the center of my eyelids and blend the edges. I'll take the shade Pink Panther and apply it in the outer corner and blend it towards the brow bone. Next, I'll take the yellow shade Jouer and apply it in the inner corner of my eye. I'll take the orange shade again and intensify it. I'll go back and forth with the shades a couple of times just to bring out the colors so they look bright and gorgeous like the sun. I'll again take the shade Tonight one last time and smoke out the outer corner. Next, with an angled brush, I'll mix the two shades Tonight and This Guy from the ColourPop palette and apply it close to my waterline. I'll smoke out the lower lash line with a pencil brush. Next, I'll take the shimmer shade on the edge and apply it almost all over my eyelids. Then I'll take the lighter shimmer shade and apply it in the center of my eye. This will brighten up the eyes. I'll take the shade Calypso from the Makeup Revolution palette and apply it in the inner corners and also highlight my brow bone. Then I'll apply some kohl pencil in my waterline and diffuse the edges with a pencil brush. I'll draw a wing liner with the Rarebeauty Perfect Strokes eyeliner to give that smoky winged liner look and diffuse the edges. I'll apply more shimmer to my eyelids because, well, why not? I'll take the shade Torn Apart and blend it with my fingers. I'll finish the look with some mascara and some false lashes. False lashes just brings out the look and define the eye look. I'll also clean up the edges and cover the under eye dark circles with some concealer and blend it out. You can find the video on how to cover the under eye dark circles linked above. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comment below what eyeshadow look you'd like me to try. And I'll see you all next time.